If you want to make money on Fiverr, you have come to the right channel. Now, welcome to Make Money Online with Damien. Let me tell you a little about myself. I'm self-employed. I do social media marketing, voiceover. I'm a gospel recording artist. So on this channel, right, I will be uploading a brand new video every Saturday. You will learn how to do social media marketing, make money on Fiverr. I'll guide you to make your first money online. So let's jump into the video. So you are here because you're wondering how to make money on Fiverr. But just a quick disclaimer before I start. This is just my opinion on what you can do to get started. You may not get the same results as I did. My advice, my opinion is to do what you love, right? Do what you love, even if you're not good at it. Because when I got started, I knew nothing about recording a voiceover. I didn't purchase a course. I made my first $1,000 online by watching YouTube videos and applying them as I watch, so as I go along, I just watch videos. If I don't understand something, I just research it on YouTube, right? Like, for example, using Audacity, I didn't know how to use this software, right? But I researched it on YouTube and there is somebody there to teach me how to use the software. By 1 month, I was making around, I think, $20 to $80 per day on Fiverr. I also make money on Facebook. So I am asking that you please subscribe to the video, right? Please subscribe to this channel for how I made money on Facebook. I will talk about it in another video. So if you want to know how I make money on Facebook, please leave a comment down below. So you will need a computer and you will need reliable internet. My internet provider is Certec, right? I've been using Certec for a long time now. Well, this is not a sponsored video by Certec, but yeah man, shout out to Certec for all of the help and support, throughout the years. Question number 2. Can I do this full time? Yes, you can do it full time. But it takes a lot of hard work. And you have to be consistent. Practice good time management because some customers will want their project to be completed within like 24 hours, which you can charge extra. So next question is probably you're asking, what do I need to get started? First, you need a Fiverr account, which is easy to create. You can actually go on YouTube and type in how to create a Fiverr account. You will definitely need an email address and a phone number. Now, create a gig. So the next step you will need to do is create a gig for something you love. Probably graphic design, copywriting, voiceover, social media marketing. You can start your own call center at home, right? You can do transcription. Transcription is when you listen to the audio or video. Yeah, so audio or video, and then you will type it out in text. Also, there are robots that can do the transcription for you, or you can, outsource to other freelancers. What you could do as a copywriter, I didn't explain. You're probably wondering, what can I do as a copywriter? Right? You can write like product description for e-commerce products like, Amazon products, eBay products. When you go on eBay or Amazon, you see the description. Those are persons like on Fiverr or Upwork or freelancer persons. Those most times are those persons that write the description, right? Or you can do you can write articles, right? And you can also write blog for websites, right? You can do your research on this because I have no experience in copywriting, but I know this can make you rich if you are good at it. Now, you can also build website, right? So you can build websites for companies and do SEO for businesses that need this service. All right. So on Fiverr you have buyers and you have sellers, right? So buyers are persons that come on the website, they're searching for a particular service. When they message you, you must reply within 1 hour. If you don't, it will affect your response time, and you really don't want to make that happen, because it will really be bad that a customer come on your page, and when they come on your page you realize you take like up to 20 hours or 6 hours to reply. But not all the time it will affect you, right? Depending on your reviews, right? It depends on your reviews that you have on your previous orders. So you would try your best to reply within an hour. So after you create your Fiverr account on your computer, remember to download the Fiverr app. You will go to the Google Store or you will go to the Apple Store, and you will download Fiverr, right? You will download the Fiverr app and scroll down, ensure that your status is online. It might be gray now. Ensure that your online status is green, right? So you will change it from offline to online, right? So it should be green at all times. If not, this can affect your sales, right? This can affect the amount of orders that you get daily, right? Because customers will come online and they will think that even when you're online, they will think that you're not online because your status says offline. So ensure that that button is on green at all time. All right, so it can come off accidentally, so make sure you check it. The seller is the person paying for the service. A seller can be a buyer, because if you can't do a job, probably you don't have the time, you can outsource it and you will be buying from other sellers as well. So if someone is paying you $20, you can find someone that will do it for $5 on Fiverr, yes. But Fiverr charge when you are making a purchase, so you will make about $8, right? After Fiverr collect their fees, right? And so your profit will be $8 from 20, right? When you outsource, always charge more when you are outsourcing, all right? Make sure you charge more. I normally charge like $50. That's the least I charge, right? So if I know that I'm paying somebody $5, right, I know that I can make a good profit. But most of the time, something is better than nothing. So guys, we have come to the end of the video, and please remember to hit the like button, to support this video. I put a lot of hard work in this video to really give you guys the ideas, what you need, to get going on Fiverr. And make sure that you subscribe and tell a friend, right? And if you have something that you want to know, something else that you want to know about Fiverr, you can just leave a comment, right, in the comment section, and I will do a video on that. All right, so let me know what you want, what else you would like to know about Fiverr, and I will do a video on that for you. Thanks for watching. See you next Saturday.